Alright, in this video we will look at how to schedule an appointment. So a call comes in and you can do a super search on the customers, right click in the customer or hit F11 and it will open up a list of all your customers. You can do a search by searching for any part of the information by hitting search here, or and that looks in all the different fields here. But what I usually like to do is, rather than doing that, just leave it as a full search, and you can do an instant search here without having to hit any more. So if they tell you an address or something, you can start typing it in right away. You double click to open it up to make sure that the information you've got is correct, that this is whoever the person is. You might want to verify their address, contact information. If they have just one address, you can just go to schedule appointment. If they have multiple addresses, you can open that address and that they are calling about and schedule the appointment from there. Either way, when you click schedule appointment, it opens up your calendar. Here's your complete calendar. In the calendar, you can also filter by the different departments that you've configured to say only show me certain departments that these guys service. So I'm going to choose support here, and I am going to say, notice it put in the company name here already. I'm going to do a distance. I'm going to do a large distance here, but you probably want to do 5 miles, 10 miles, but since my data is kind of all over the place in this sample, you tell it the hours. Do you want a single or double book? So you can double book appointments, so you can do from 10 till noon and things like that. Hit search, and it comes up showing me the best recommendation it has under support. Now, if I were to leave this blank and say everything, I can come back here, do the search, and apparently that is the closest I've got. Oh, this week. I've got a bunch of appointments scheduled for next week, so here we go. And there we are. Now I can see the different distances, and I can click on them, and they will move to the different days on the calendar, so that then I can be talking to the customer. I'm only 704 miles away on today, or I will only be 273 miles away on October 23rd, and you can see that information all down here for dates and everything as well. And then I can go ahead and schedule it when I'm talking to them. So let's say I want to schedule this appointment right here. It will say I want to schedule this here. So I just double click here, open it up, and start filling in about what I'm doing. I'm going in and doing, I'm going to fix the computer, keyboard doesn't work, or printer not printing or something. And estimate, yeah, probably about 2 hours on that. Sure. This is already filled in. It filled it in from which device I chose. I can assign it off to the department here or not. That's really used kind of for something else. You can use it here if you want. It's really used for if you're trying to make unscheduled appointments and book them. Otherwise, I just go ahead and tell it to save. And now I am back to my calendar. All the yellow ones, which were my recommended, are all gone, and the appointment is scheduled right there. When the handheld synchronizes in, it will, symbol 1 will get that customer and all the information about this appointment. That is it.